Hello humans, today we're gonna make some spicy mint beef, or what we call Larb in Thai. Well, Larb also sounds like fortune, so if you eat a lot of this you might get rich. First off, we're gonna start by cooking the ground meat. Yeah, chop that meat up like what you were thinking of doing to your ex. Cook it until it's fully cooked, and then we're gonna turn the heat off and let it cool down for a little bit. Well, you can watch my dog while you do that. There she goes. Oh, she's a stretchy little girl. Hi, baby. That's it. Can you give me a hand? Oh, no, you're just gonna lick it? Okay, that's fine too. Good girl. She's just a good girl. Bye. Gonna go back to cooking now. Then we're gonna add some lime juice. Squeeze it all in until it coats every little bit of the meat. And then we're gonna add some fish sauce. Squirt that in. Well, it's about the same amount as the lime juice. And some Coke. Then sprinkle some roasted rice powder in. Well, a lot of it, until the juice that you have in the pot turns like roasted rice powder color. And I like that. And some chili flakes. If you like it spicy, put more. If you don't like spicy, and put 2 drops in. Whatever you like. Then our veggies. This has chopped onions, chopped green onions, mint, and cilantro. And mix everything together. Ooh, this is starting to look good. Do you know what else goes good with this? Some papaya salad. So you get to caress the papaya. And some sticky rice also. And there you go, you got some Larb. If you made it too spicy, just eat it with some vegetables like cucumber or cabbages, or just do it the Thai way, just suffer through it.